Danger, danger, a neighbor just got in her car. We need to talk. I heard you say vet on the phone earlier. Something smells good like fresh poop. Who is a good boy? Danger, it's a cat. You're not going to throw that out, are you? Listen, you give us delicious food, but the service is slow and the portions are too small. Why don't you have a tail? Danger! Danger! A small boy is riding his bike outside. Dinner is exactly 1 minute and 37 seconds late. Can we get a guinea pig? Are you gonna eat that?
Your dog may not be able to speak English, but he can understand a lot of it. The average dog understands 200 to 400 words, probably more than you realize. You do know the words that really get a reaction out of your pup. He'll love to hear those words in a customized storybook that's all about him. Get yours today.